Okay, so this video we're going to integrate sine of x divided by cosine to the power of 4x dx. So how are we going to start with this? Well, sine and cosine go well together when doing a u sub. So let's just have a little look at that. So what we could say, sine of x divided by cosine of x, cosine cubed of x, that is the same as what that is. And then we could put these two together to make tan x over cosine cubed of x, which is also cosine cubed of x. We could bring that to the top and call that secant cubed of x. So that's also the same as tan x secant cubed of x. So these are all the same value. Now tan x secant cubed of x, they definitely go well together. So which one are we going to choose? Well, I reckon if we go for a sine and a cosine, first of all, try a u sub. So let u equal cosine x. So du equals, so derivative of cosine is negative sine x dx. Now all we need to do now is to isolate the dx on its own. So we get du over negative sine x equals dx. Okay, let's get this into the u world and see what we end up with. So sine of x, let's just put that in there for the moment. I know we're in the u world, but good things are going to happen in a minute. Cosine x, over here we've got cosine to the power of 4x, so we just put u to the 4. And then our dx is du divided by minus sine x. Okay, right, so now the good things are going to happen now. The sine x's can cancel out and we're just left with this negative sign here, and the du is now on its own, so that's great news. So now what we can say is we've got the integral, so this just becomes 1 over u to the 4 du. Don't forget this important negative sign, so bring the negative out the front. Okay, right, now we can just integrate straight off. So what we can say that this is the integral of u to the minus 4 du. 1 over u to the 4 is the same as u to the minus 4, also with the minus sign. Let's go straight for the integration now. So add 1, comes u to the minus 3. Divide by the new power, which is minus 3. So that's 1 over minus 3. So that's our integration step finished. Now let's get back into the x world, where u is cosine of x. So let's put this as a cosine of x. So now we've got minus times a minus, that just leaves us with a third. U to the minus 3, so then what we can do here now is put cosine cubed of x. So u to the minus 3, that's basically the same as 1 over u cubed. And then what we need to do now is do a plus c. And that takes care of that. Now there's one